I'm Susan Martinez. I'm the Vice Chancellor for Research and Innovation at the University of Illinois at Urbana-Champaign. And I have the distinct honor here to recognize some of our top scoring labs. At number 1, we have the Downey Lab, led by Dr. Deborah Katz Downey from Plant Biology in the School of Integrative Biology. And at number 2, we have the Denmark Lab, led by Nicholas Reinhardt in the Department of Chemistry at the School of Chemical Sciences. And number 3, the Department of Energy sponsored CABI Lab with the effort led by Lucianne Burris. The CABI Lab is located in the Institute of Genomic Biology and is co-sponsored by the Institute for Sustainability, Energy, and the Environment. Honorable mention goes to the Bello Lab in Crop Sciences, and that was led by Julian Seebauer. And on our campus, the highest energy savings goes to Martin Grubela's lab from chemistry, led by the PI, Martin Grubela, and also the Helfrich lab from nutritional sciences that was led by Molly Black within the College of ACES. Overall, all of the participants in the 2020 International Laboratory Freezer Challenge worldwide contributed to a combined savings of 3.2 million, to emphasize that, kilowatt hours per year worldwide. This is a truly amazing feat, and I'm so very proud of our amazing community of university researchers. Congratulations to all of the winners, and thank you again for your efforts.